Hey guys, this is your Abhilash back, and today I'm gonna show you how to clean your DSLR and DSLR lens. Before that, I request you guys to please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and do share my videos. So it's a support from you guys where it will be help me in uploading more and more videos, guys. And thank you so much for your continuous support till now. And right now I'm gonna show you the cleaning of my DSLR using this Proton Clean Pro 7-in-1, and I'm gonna show these guys now, and let's start the cleaning process. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please give me a like, and please give me your comments or the comment section, and let's start this guys now. So first I'm gonna take my small lens to clean, which is of 18x55. So before cleaning this, I'm gonna open my Proton kit. So this is my Proton kit. Now just take it out, and I'm gonna show you what all there. And this is the cleaning tissue, the cleaning tissue paper, and this is the cleaning cloth. This is the bud where you can clean inside the lens, and here is the cleaning liquid, and here comes the blower, and this is used to clean the lens where it has got a carbon over here. You can see all this black part, and there is another technique also to clean the lens, and this is the brush, and we get another brush for cleaning the dust. So I'm going to use these kits and clean the lens and the camera. So let's start. Oh, just missed, sorry guys. And let's start the cleaning of the lens now, and let's keep this camera apart, and it's time to clean this lens. Yeah, it's better now. Yes. So now I'm gonna open the cap. This is the back side where it's gonna fit in the camera. So I'm gonna use this brush, clean it off, and I'm gonna just insert this brush and clean the other corners for all the dust. Always clean it upside down, so whatever dust is there, it will come out. And I'm gonna use the blower. So you should not use blower in this position, use blower in this position, so all the dust which inside will come out. And I'm gonna blow the sides. So here you don't need of using your tissue or spraying inside this, because in case you may find difficulty in taking out, just use the brush, clean this part, and clean the cap, and clean this part. I'm going to close this cap from here, and I'm going to open this cap. First clean this, because every time we open and close, and there are very much chances that dust may enter this. So now I'm going to just use the brush and clean this, and I'm going to use my liquid. Just gentle spray, just leave it for a second, and after that I'm going to take this tissue, take one tissue from here, just fold it and give a light rub all over the lens. And use the cleaning cloth. This is how we clean it, and you can see now there is no dust. And you can use this part also, just Do not press it hard, just rub it gently, give you a clear clean, which is a carbon coated the part that was. So now you can see the lens is clean now. Let me just close the cap and open this part, and I'm going to clean over here. So now cleaning of this lens is done, and let me just come to the bigger lens. First I'm going to open this lens part, clean everything, because most of the time we use this for the long shots, and you can see the small dust or the like sandy particles which enter from here inside the lens. Sorry guys, where my mobile memory was running low, so could not record it completely, and this is the second video, and I'm gonna have merged this. And coming to the DSLR, now first you need to remove all the dust from the outer part first before opening the cap and cleaning inside. So make sure you clean all the part, like from the view, eyesight, front, other upper body, everything. Make sure all body is clean, and then we need to open this, clean the cap. Now it's time to clean the sensor and the mirror. So first I'm gonna just put a small rub over the corner. Do not touch your brush at the mirror, and use the blower and make this upside down and blow from the side. So whatever dust or whatever like small dust particle inside, it should come out. So make sure you rotate, give it like small round and clean it. So once you clean that, then you have to just hold this lens from this part slowly, and you need to just pull this up, and you will be able to see the sensor now. And do not put your hand, use the blower. As I told you, make your camera DSLR upside down and give a small blow. And if you see any dust particle inside, you can use the brush and give a smooth clean. And once you're done, just leave your mirror slowly back on the sensor. And now it's time to clean up over here, and this part where you will be able to see that the view angle. And I'm gonna just put my brush inside. Slowly I'm gonna clean, and I suggest you not to often insert your brush or inside. I'm gonna just clean it by just giving a blow. Please make sure you open in a very good place, do not allow the dust inside. So it's been cleaned now, and if you're able to see any kind of dust on the mirror, you can use the earbud and just clean it. And the better way to know is there any dust, you have to just blow from your mouth over here. So I'm going to show you. You can see it's clear now. I'm going to blow it, so you can see the fog kind of thing over there. And once it's gonna just move slowly. Due to the low light, I'm not able to show you clearly because it's inside thing. So if any dust, you will be able to view over there, but there is no dust now. It's completely clean. I'm gonna close the cap. Yeah, and please make sure you don't hand over your camera or a DSLR who doesn't know to use it properly. And thank you guys for watching this video, and do not insert anything to clean inside the sensor or the mirror. And this is how you can clean your DSLR self. And this is the kit which I bought, and I have already unboxing a kit link at my below section. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up, and please share, subscribe, and do comment on my comment section guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm gonna